What's up, you guys? So I'm back with another video. Today we're doing a video on rice water. I have heard about rice water about 2-3 years ago. I just never gave it a try, but since it is trending and popular right now here on YouTube and Instagram and Twitter and wherever else, I'm about to give it a try. I would say deep condition afterwards. If you are protein sensitive, to just combat your hair feeling dry and crunchy. If you've not done so already, press the excuse me, Paris. If you're not done so already, press the subscribe button. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Alonya. Here on YouTube, it is spelled AHLAWNYAHXO, but in real life, it is spelled Alonya, ALONYA. And I would love for you to subscribe and become a member of our lovely family. Press the red button down there. I don't know where I said, if it's here, but just press the button. Come to my family. We growing, we vibing, we living. And I'm just gonna get started right into the video.
It takes to solve them. Yeah, I got issues, and one of them is how bad I need you. You do shit on purpose. You get mad and you break things. Feel bad, try to fix things, but you're perfect. Poorly wired circuit, yeah. Ain't got hands like an ocean. Push you out, pull you back in. Cause you don't judge me. Cause if you did, baby, just you too. No, you don't judge me. Cause you see it from the same point of view. Cause I got issues, but you got them too. So give them all to me and I'll give mine to you. Bask in the glory.
Except for the smell, my rice doesn't really stink that bad, and I let mine sit for over 24 hours. I let mine sit from 10:30 Saturday night, and now it is currently 7:13 on Monday night. So I'm just gonna take my hair and I'm gonna dip it. I'm kind of scared. Oh, it's kind of cold. After I dip it, I'm just gonna squeeze the water out. Yeah, I would actually suggest doing this in the shower if you can. My hair is naughty. I'm just gonna start to spray the rice water onto my hair and onto my scalp. Make sure I really get my scalp. Yeah, we like rice water. We stand for her, sis. So there are multiple ways that you can do this. You can apply rice water, rinse, shampoo, rinse, deep conditioner, rinse. Or you can do shampoo, rinse, rice water, deep conditioner, rinse. Or you can do shampoo, rinse, rice water, rinse, deep conditioner, rinse. This is said to lessen shedding. Rice water in my eye, not good. No bueno. Be sure that you guys are eating protein. If your hair is, breaking off, eating proteins help strengthen your hair from the inside out. You want to make sure you're eating healthy, eating good, not just what you're putting on your hair, but also what you're digesting, eating, drinking. Beware, because that affects hair, nails, skin.
Cause I got issues, but you got them too. So give them all to me and I'll give mine to you. Bask in the glory of all our problems. Cause we got the kind of love it takes to solve them. Yeah, I got issues, and one of them is how bad I need you. I got issues, yeah, and one of them is how bad I need you. Yeah, I got issues, and one of them is how bad I need you. Of all our problems, cause we got the kind of love it takes to solve them. Baby, I got issues, and one of them is how bad I need you. I got issues.
Hey guys, and I'm back. Coming to you guys. What? My head hurts, my ponytail's too tight, I'm sorry. I'm coming to you guys to tell you guys what I thought of the rice water after I rinsed out of my hair, because sadly I forgot, and it is the week after I did it. Yeah, but immediately after I rinsed the rice water out, and my hair was super soft, super shiny. It felt so good and super shiny. And when I was styling my hair, I feel like I did get less breakage. Then this video was more just about showing you guys the process, because I do not expect to see immediate results just from doing it one time. So I will be doing it over the course of the weeks, and hopefully maybe maybe I'll be able to do it more than once a week so I can really see results. I love y'all. Peace out, gang gang. Choose, be safe, be blessed, be humble. It's a cool word out there. I love you guys, and choose, we out.